empty refrigerator. Even the last can of yogurt is gone. Calculating the time, it's amber season again. Xiaoyang's first stop is the temporary area, filled with snacks from around the world, which is overwhelming yet delightful. Crispy and soft butter cookies, and the must-have large grass jelly sauce for spreading on fried fish skin snacks. Indeed, shopping in the supermarket has a magical joy. Fresh fruits cannot be missed for today's feast. Next is the area of longing. It is said that looking at fresh meat is also a way to relieve stress. Since it's the adult's autumn county magistrate, choosing good meat is already half the success. As a foodie, eating first and buying later is a win-win. It seems a bit different here, so let's consider it a post-meal struggle. First, today's goal is the surf and turf platter. The task is heavy and there are many ingredients, so let's start with the simplest. First, let's make the hamburger meat filling. Cut the beef and pork leg into equal parts and grind them into minced meat. Eggs can make the meat more tender. Breadcrumbs help to lock in more moisture. Next, add other seasonings that make the hamburger meat delicious. Stir in one direction until it becomes elastic. Then use your hands to firmly knead it into a round ball. The longer you knead, the firmer the meat will be, making it less likely to fall apart when cooked. Set it aside and prepare the time-consuming pasta. Add salt and olive oil and cook the pasta for about 8 to 10 minutes. After cooking, drain the pasta and add olive oil and the prepared pasta sauce. Stir well while it's hot. Next, prepare the fried rice part. After stir-frying the sausage, add the leftover rice and ketchup, then season according to your preference. Just taste the salted egg before serving. To wrap the rice, quickly stir after putting it in the pan, then invert it onto the fried rice, allowing the egg wrap to encase the rice. In one smooth motion, quickly place the rice onto the plate, adjust it slightly, and finally add a portion of the hamburger meat. No need to wash pan, add crab-flavoured mushrooms, stir-fry, thicken sauce before removing some heat, reduce liquid over high heat.